In this video, we'll share our top 5 home update ideas. These projects are great for older homes or investment properties. Home improvement.
With love.
Hi, we're Daires and Akilah of DIYPC.
And these DIY projects are both budget-friendly and affordable.
So let's get started with number 5, painting cabinets. Even with the supplies you need, we still found that painting cabinets is much cheaper than installing new ones.
I really like this project because we were able to save money and replace our hardware. So we changed our knobs with knobs and pulls.
And sometimes when you're doing projects like this, they're easy, but easy projects can also be hard, especially if it's the first time you're doing that project.
Right. When we were drilling our holes, we have done this before, but we made a mistake. And the nice thing is that they have products that help you to fill the hole, and you want to do this all before you start painting.
Don't be discouraged by a mistake or a problem that comes up when you're doing a project, because it's all going to turn out great in the end.
After we made our repair, we prepped our cabinets for painting by sanding them and cleaning them with a heavy-duty cleaner.
Your local home improvement store may have paint that has been returned and then reduced that you can purchase for your project.
Finding this type of deal is a fun part of updating your home.
All we needed was a roller and paintbrush to transform our cabinets.
It was amazing to see how a little paint and hardware could make such a big difference in our cabinets.
We'll attach a link for each DIY update idea so you can see more.
Number 4, painting a fireplace.
Many people know about painting the brick or mantle around the fireplace, but you can actually paint the firebox, which is the inside of your fireplace.
Our fireplace was becoming an eyesore, and we wanted to clean it out and give it a fresh new look.
You can use any masking material to protect the surround and hearth before you paint. You can do like we did and use an old 2020 calendar.
We used a black ultra high heat enamel spray to restore the metal surface and refresh the firebox. This is the most important part of the project. You must use a high temperature paint.
To protect ourselves from strong fumes, we used a mask and open doors for plenty of ventilation.
This update was really nice. We really wanted to spruce it up.
We only needed 2 cans, so this home improvement project came in at under $20.
We added an electric fireplace heater and used our leftover paint to recoat the candle holders.
Whoa, look at what paint can do. Number 3, tiling over tile. Using peel and stick is a great budget-friendly way for beginners to try their hand at flooring.
Just peel the backing off and place it on a clean surface. There are so many peel and stick options to choose from that this is a quick and easy way to transform an old floor.
There are many patterns of how you can lay flooring. We use the brick pattern with spacers and grout because we like the look.
We'll link our peel and stick playlist so you can see the different ways on how to install peel and stick tile. I'm adding pressure to adhere the tiles.
New flooring is a great way to add value to an older home or investment property.
Number 2, frame a mirror. We spend a lot of time in the bathroom, so a great way to modernize this space is to frame a mirror.
We used window casting molding to maintain a minimalistic design so that we could still see most of the mirror surface. Framing the mirror can be a solution to hiding old rusted mirror clips and dark spots that appear on the edges of the mirror.
Double-sided mounting tape is a cost-effective way to secure a frame to the mirror and is less permanent than glue adhesives.
Our beginner DIYers can be involved with this part of the DIY update because peeling tape is a simple part of the process. The 15-pound interior mounting tape is strong enough to hold a simple frame, even in moist bathroom conditions.
This home improvement project added equity and gave the mirror a more customized look that complemented the rest of the bathroom.
And for our final update, number 1, transform a countertop. Replacing countertops can be very costly. However, there is a budget-friendly solution to update your kitchen area. Transforming your countertops with paint is a game changer. To start your countertop update transformation, did you know that you can get all of these supplies for less than $100?
We used a base coat with antimicrobial properties before we created our design with acrylic paint. The nice part about it is that base coat can be tinted to a color of your choice. We chose a light gray to change the look of our white laminate countertops.
For us, the design process was the best part of this kitchen update. We were inspired by granite countertops, and it was cool seeing how simple acrylic paint colors blended with each other.
Three coats of polyacrylic sealant finished off our amazing countertop transformation.
Connect with us at diypowercouple.com for more inspiration on your next DIY home improvement project. DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember,
You can DIY too.